Hi, I'm David Olesky. I'm a partner attorney here at Miller, Weisbrod, Olesky, our national birth injury firm in Dallas, Texas. Today I want to discuss HIE injuries. You might be asking, what is HIE? It's actually the most common form of brain damage at birth, and yet still many parents have never even heard of it before. HIE stands for Hypoxic-Ischemic Encephalopathy. Hypoxic means hypoxia, or a lack of oxygen in the blood. Ischemic, which refers to ischemia, a shortage of blood flow to the brain. And then you've got encephalopathy, which is a general term for any kind of brain injury. So when you put it all together, you get a brain injury, encephalopathy, caused by a shortage of oxygen and blood flow to the baby's brain. You might hear doctors refer to HIE as neonatal encephalopathy. So why does this happen? Well, there are many reasons why, but these reasons can be split into two general categories. Acute abrupt events means the baby loses all access to oxygen at once. This can happen in emergency situations like a mother's uterus rupturing, a placental abruption, or traumatic events. A partial prolonged hypoxic event means that the baby's access to oxygen is restricted over a period of time. Risk factors can include placental insufficiency, umbilical cord compression, excessively long labor, or even too strong or too many contractions. Brain damage from HIE can cause serious long-term health problems. Among the most common problems are seizures, cognitive and developmental delays, vision impairment, and movement disorders like cerebral palsy. And while these complications are typically irreversible, there are things that doctors can do after birth to reduce the risk of long-term brain damage. In some cases, medical professionals can be liable for medical malpractice if they fail to properly treat the baby following delivery, including starting brain cooling in a timely manner. HIE injuries can drastically alter a child's life. Therapies, surgeries, medications, appointments with specialists, it can be both financially and emotionally taxing for families. And we believe families shouldn't have to bear this burden alone when their child's injuries were preventable. If you suspect your child's brain injury has happened because of a healthcare provider's mistakes, don't hesitate to reach out. Our birth injury firm will look into the facts of your case at no upfront charge. We have handled HIE cases across the United States and can tell when there may have been medical malpractice. You can give us a call at our offices and speak to one of our 9 in-house nurses at 888-987-0005.